Zimbabwe, Mugabe. He fought and won, but didn't take the land back from the Caucasians. And some of those who fought with him came to him and said, look, brother, we joined you in war. We fought, we won, but the land is still in the hands of those who came and stole it from us. You have to give the land back to us. Before he started giving the land back, he was the darling of white people. You are always their best friend as long as you're not a friend of your people. As long as you let them do what they want to do with us, you are all right, nigga.
Come on, teach, brother. Teach. Make it plain. That's right.
But when Robert Mugabe said, we got to take the land back from the white farmers who had, thousands and thousands of acres of land, and black people had none.
Come on, man.
Then all of a sudden, America and England turned down on Mugabe. Thabo Mbeki in South Africa now is reasoning with taking land and giving it back. I was in South Africa. When I got off the plane, there was a man in chains. He didn't say a word. He just was in chains. When I got to the hotel, there he was, wrapped in chains. What was he telling me? I don't care what they say, Farrakhan. We're still in chains. Yes, I met with President Mandela, a beautiful man. And then I had dinner with Winnie Mandela. And Winnie Mandela said to me, my former husband has promised the people houses. He's promised them electricity because white folk promised him. And then they didn't fulfill their promise, so he couldn't live up to his promise to the masses of South Africa. And right now you can go to South Africa. The gold is still in the hands of the whites. The diamonds are still in the hands of the whites. Everything of value is still in the hands of the whites. The power of military might is in the hands of the whites. The white world has to pay.
That's right.